The Snowstorm by Waldo Emerson. Announced by all the trumpets of the sky arrives with snow and driving over the fields, seems nowhere to alight. The whited air hides hills and woods, the river and the heaven, and wails the farmhouse at the garden's end. The sled and traveller stopped, the courier's feet delayed, all friends shut out. The housemates sit around the radiant fireplace, enclosed in tumultuous privacy of storm. Come see the north wind's masonry, out of an unseen quarry furnished with tile. The fierce artificer curves his wild bastions of projected roof round every windward stake or tree or door. Speeding the myriad-handed with wild work, so fanciful, so savage, nought cares he for number or proportion. Mockingly on coop or kennel hangs Parian wreaths, a swan-like form on west's the hidden thorn, fills up the farmer's lane from wall to wall, murk of the farmer's sighs, and at the gate a tapering turret of a tops to work. And when his hours are numbered and the world is all his own, retiring as he were not, leaves, and the sun appears, astonished art to mimic and slow structures stone by stone, built in an age of the mad wind's night work, the frolic architecture of the snow.